How to prepare your car for winter. What to check, replace and bring along to avoid any issues. This video will be especially useful for those traveling to Montenegro because Montenegro in winter is full of contrasts. On the coast it's plus 15 with rain and slippery asphalt. And just a 30-minute drive from here it's minus 15. Snowdrifts and ice. Let's go through it step by step. From November 15th to April 1st in Montenegro, it's mandatory by law to have winter tires on all roads except for coastal areas. Studded tires are banned here, so everyone drives on winter tires. And if you're heading to the mountains and aren't sure if the road will be cleared, make sure to bring chains with you. We recommend practicing how to put on the chains in advance, so you don't waste time in an emergency situation when it's cold. Let's give it a try. Our car rental company provides you with chains, and they will be in the trunk. If this is your car, then before winter, of course, take care of all the fluids. Brake fluid, antifreeze, as well as oil and all filters. If you're in a rental car, you only need to take care of the windshield washer fluid. Replace the summer fluid with antifreeze, as water can freeze in the mountains and the reservoir can burst. For our clients, we've taken care of all of this. You just need to buy antifreeze at any gas station if you run out of it. In winter, keep your gas tank at least half full to avoid condensation. For diesel cars, add fuel additives to prevent it from freezing. And in the north of Montenegro, this has already been taken care of. And they sell diesel with additives right at the gas stations. It's very convenient. For winter equipment, you will only need a tow rope and a supply of antifreeze. The people in Montenegro are very helpful. You can easily find snow brushes or shovels in the north, or they might even lend you that. Keep in mind that in winter, roads are treated with salt, and when you drive, that salt gets on the car's body, which can lead to corrosion. To avoid this, you need to wax the car's body in advance. Of course, if you're renting a car, you don't have to worry about that. A few additional tips. The first thing you must do before, leave the car overnight by lifting the wipers so they don't stick to the windshield. The second, check the AMCCG website to see if your route is open. Since not all roads are cleared in winter, you can also find the phone number for roadside assistance there in case you need it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and we will definitely answer them.